is 3. It will go to case 3 and perform the statement. Plus equals 2. So that is 5. Then display 5. Then break. Okay, what if the value so console.log none of the choices or out of range? If the value is 10, since wala na siya sa case 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay, so the statement under default will be displayed. That is none of the choices or out of range, whatever string message being used.